Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily save audio on Instagram Reels. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then hit add Reels icon, and now you are able to save any sound, any music from any reel on Instagram. All you have to do is right here tap add that song. It shows you all the reels with that song or with that music, and right here towards the top of the screen you can tap add save audio to save it, and then you would be able to use that audio on your own reels. Also, you can hit right here where it says use audio to use it while creating your own reel, just like that. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.